Welcome! In front of me I have REALME Narzo 30 and I'm gonna show you how to transfer the data from the internal storage to SD card and other way around. First we need to open the file manager. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu and here tap on the file manager icon. Oh, my bad. File manager right here. As you can see here we have the file manager app. Now let's find the files we want to copy to SD card. And like I said, we want to copy them from internal storage to SD card. So let's select phone storage right here to open the internal storage. And right here we have list of folders allocated on our phone in the internal storage. I'm gonna open the CIM folder. CIM and camera. And here I have a couple of photos and let's say I want to copy them to the SD card. To do it, simply press and hold on one to enter the selection mode, and you can select one or multiple, depends what you like. Simply tap on them to select them or unselect them. Once you select the files, you have a move option right here. Tap on it, and here we can select phone storage or SD card. We want to move them to SD card, so let's select SD card, and here we have the list of folders on our SD card. And as you can see, we have this button right here called Move to Here. Now, we can do a couple of things. We can find the folder we want to move the files into. So basically, we can open some of the folder right here, for example, documents. Or we can create a new folder by tapping this plus button right here, entering the name of the folder. And tapping the check mark. And here we have our folder. And once we open the folder we want to move the files into, we can tap on Move to Here to move our files to this folder. And as you can see, we're back into the on the internal storage. We can go back to the main screen of the file manager app, open the SD card, open the documents and moved pictures. And here we have our pictures. And to move the files from the SD card to internal storage, simply find the files you want to move. For example, one of these pictures, select it, tap on Move, select the phone storage, and now find the folder you want to move the files into, of course. For example, pictures this time. Oh, this is podcast, not pictures. Pictures, and then tap on Move to Here button to move files. You can also tap right here on the View button to see the folder that the file was moved into, like this. And that's how you transfer the files from the internal storage to SD card and other way around. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.